Welcome to another video on my BeagleBoard embedded system running Ubuntu Linux right here, connected to a serial cable for booting purposes, as well as an HDMI cable to this monitor, which is also needed to boot safely, and USB cable through which it's connected to a fischertechnik robo interface, and this USB hub with network connection. And the network connection indicates that, except for the serial interface, I also work with VNC, virtual network computing, so I can record things. It's programmed in Python, which is not stored in this, so it's not embedded in here. It's embedded in here, and given the fact that it is a very small computer, you can debate it whether it is embedded or not, but let's take it is embedded anyway, because its sole purpose is to control this roller track, which is made of fischertechnik, with a chain here to transport the marbles from down here to right up here, and another chain right here for this track, and then up here where it goes down and back again. This chain is of course driven by a motor right down there, another motor right here, and another motor here to switch tracks between this one and this one. So last time I had a problem with the track here, and it turned out that this part was too low, so that solves this one. But another problem, and let me move the camera, was right here, because remove this part. The balls often don't end up the way they should, and when they are here they often drop out. So I have made two changes, which I of course hope that they suffice in keeping the balls or the marbles right on track. Anyway, let's see how that works out, and do some manual tests first, and then run the program and see how things work out. And then the software side, diagnosis interface, I didn't write it, by the way, but it is part of the robo interface software that is written for this for the robo interface that I showed you earlier. So a main interface and 4 slaves, 4 motors, which can be addressed as 8 outputs, inputs, etc. Hopefully not using it, but it has come in very helpful already quite a number of times. The terminal for running the software, and I better extend it a bit. So Python written in the Python IDE, camera, and this is Minicom serial terminal. So with one of the marbles I have right here. I don't have to go all the way down. So I'll see what happens when I put it somewhere here, if it ends up here. And okay, I'm going to repeat that. And it stays right there. Attempt number 3. Same thing. Okay, so let me take the camera and do it. Oops, sorry for shaking a bit. Do it higher, somewhere here. Same effect. All right, that's not quite all right. So once again, I don't like this, so let's do it again. Right, I have changed this as well, so it has some angle. So let me run it again. What does this effect have? None. Alright, let's remove it, put it again, and no, bad result. Bad result. Now it goes there. So quite a number of attempts, and not all, or better said, almost none, is successful. So time to actually run the software. So I'll put the camera back on its tripod and run it. And then I do have to wait. Oh, look, that one is picked up nicely. And one is already going wrong, and another one is wrong. So that is not good. Yeah, this is going bad. Okay, well, not okay at all actually. And there's still a ball here going loose. And rolling back again. That one is rolling through, that's good. Another one rolling back. Yeah, right, that's not going good. Let me put them manually where they should be. And now looking at the situation here. And now this is going on. So what happens here? And that goes well. That ball needs to be picked up. That may be better. No, it's not. And once again, a ball is stuck here. So things are not the way they should be. Unfortunately, one ball is still here. Not sure why, by the way. So let me grab and improve, hopefully. Right, I've made two changes. One change is right here, where I've added another level. So it comes out of the loop and goes higher and goes down again. And the other change is right here, where I've put it diagonally only to support here, because it looks like that when I put it like this, then this part goes even further horizontally, and I don't want that. So now it goes down here and this part is supported. Now if I put the ball up here and look whatever happens here, and 3 tests already went nice, so let's see how this one ends. It ends nice. Another one, nice. And that one ends nice as well. So it looks like that I have finally found the problem. So now for some real tests. And you can see that one of the balls is still on the magnet. And right here I've stopped the software. So now let's see how things work out. Running. And okay, I have to help a bit. And here things don't go as well as they should. That goes nice. See, now one is picked up, another one is picked up, but look here, they are not being followed. Okay, time for another step. That goes nice. And that one is waiting, so yeah, I leave it at this and wait for another ball here. There it comes and goes and takes another ball. And then I have to improve that one still. So this is not good. And no, it's certainly not good. Now it's better again. And it's still waiting for another ball here. There it comes, taking it with it. And the balls run out, so I change track. There it goes. Yep. And that goes wrong. That one goes wrong as well. Ouch. And that one goes right. And another one that goes wrong. I didn't expect that one. So this is not ideal yet, and this is not ideal yet. In the meantime, balls are picked up. That ball goes right. Another ball that goes right. But this is being replaced or removed. Yes, that is good. One that is stalling. So just a little bit late in that. And here one is stalling on the right, in the wrong place. So I'm manually helping. Look what's happening here. Being picked up, stalling again, and taken. And now balls are no longer picked up. And here one. So, although it is kind of working, it's by no means good. Well, not by no means, but there are still flaws. And I don't like flaws, but well, what can you do? You can only do so much. Anyway, what to do next? Right, I decided to leave it at that and see for another time. I considered to remove this aluminium connection, but it is supporting this part, so I'll leave it for now. Unsolved issues, as you can see, the position of these balls, which are not at the position of the magnets. Well, this track needs to be some more resolving, and the rest is kind of working. So with that, I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. You can show your appreciation by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. More information under this video. And you can also consider to become a patron. And depending on the pledge you make, may have your name mentioned on my website or with my videos. Like I said, more information under this video. This is of course going to be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye.